Is Hostinger really worth it in 2026? In this quick review, we'll look at its pricing, speed, features, WordPress tools, and overall value. Hostinger is one of the most popular budget-friendly web hosting providers, especially for beginners, bloggers, small businesses, and WordPress users. One of Hostinger's biggest attractions is its affordable introductory pricing, making it easier for beginners to launch their first website. But remember, promotional pricing and renewal pricing can be different. Always check the current price and renewal cost before purchasing. Hostinger also provides a beginner-friendly control panel called hPanel. This is designed to make website management easier. From managing domains and files to setting up WordPress and checking website tools, hPanel keeps many important functions in one place. Performance is another important factor. Recent independent testing has shown Hostinger can deliver strong speed and uptime for many smaller websites. However, your website speed also depends on your theme, plugins, images, caching, content, and overall website optimization. For WordPress users, Hostinger offers tools designed to simplify installation, management, security, and website performance. Hostinger also offers website building tools and AI features that can help beginners create websites without advanced coding knowledge. Security is also important. Features such as SSL and other security tools can help protect websites, but website owners still need strong passwords and regular updates. Backups are another feature you should always check. Make sure you understand exactly what backup and restoration options your selected hosting plan includes. Hostinger can be a good choice for blogs, affiliate websites, portfolios, small business websites, and many new WordPress projects. But demanding websites may need more powerful infrastructure. High-traffic stores and advanced applications should carefully evaluate their resource requirements. Another advantage is scalability. As your website grows, Hostinger provides higher-level hosting options, including cloud and VPS services. So, who should choose Hostinger? Beginners and small website owners looking for an affordable and easy-to-manage hosting platform may find it a strong option. Overall, Hostinger offers a strong combination of affordability, ease of use, useful features, and competitive performance for many websites. My verdict? Hostinger is worth considering, especially for beginners and growing websites. Check the latest plans before you buy and subscribe for more hosting reviews. Ready to build your website with Hostinger? Check the description for my Hostinger affiliate link and the latest offer. Click the link to learn more and get started today.